But now we got a little bit of an update. Now we're 20% chance of development right there with that banana phone. You can see it right there. It stretches all the way up past Corpus Christi. It's this exit marks a spot, right? It was a tropical wave that was right over the Yucatan Peninsula, drifted into the lower part of the Gulf, which is the Bay of Campeche right there. Warmer waters. There's still some shear out there, so no anticipating anything in a way of major development. But the fact that now we're about 20% as it rolls up towards northern Mexico, yeah, we got our eyes on it for certain. We're your Hurricane HQ. We're all over for you guys for sure. And I just want to show you this on the satellite imagery. This is what you actually see. This is daytime illumination with the skies. And you can see the blue shade of the Gulf right there, the darker shade of land. But look at the bright white cloud right there, right across the middle part of the screen. Bubbling up for sure. Not taking on any kind of tight circulation, but it certainly is a broad circulation as it goes on in. So we hope it doesn't tighten up too much. But look at the interior workings as everything bubbles up. That's an indication of the colder, higher cloud tops. And when you see that bubbling up, you don't see them dying down. That means the storm is still kind of getting itself together just a bit. It's not a storm or anything at this point. It's not labeled like that, but all the ensemble models bring it into the northern part of Texas, right by the coastline. Now, some of the ensemble models bend it back in by Tuesday to Wednesday. So it comes ashore sometime around, I'd say, tomorrow night or Sunday morning early towards northern Mexico. And then some of these models drift it back out across the northern part of the Gulf for your Tuesday or Wednesday. So if it does hold itself together, there's a lot of shear out there. Not anticipating this thing turn into a blockbuster at this point, but the rain is going to be here, and it's going to help aid some of those thunderstorms for sure. That's going to be locked and loaded across Texas, Louisiana, and the lower part of the Gulf Coast. So we do have this little update, tropical threat, exclusive one for Fox Weather, showing it growing a little bit. So now we're getting from low to closing in on moderate for Brownsville towards Corpus, getting towards Houston. So for sure into New Orleans with the heavy rain for the latter part of, I'd say, the weekend into next week early. Everything's going to slide up, and by midweek, possibly getting close to New Orleans with some very heavy rain. So that's the slice that we're watching. That's your Tuesday. Tremendous amount of shear up there, right? I mean, you can see that jet stream belt just locked overhead. That's going to make this thing move over towards the east. So as that happens, in comes the humidity, drives out of the western part of the Gulf and ultimately into Texas. This is your Sunday. But remember, we got that cold front here, too. So we're going to see this get channeled all the way through middle parts of Texas, Louisiana. And as that begins to settle down, that's going to pin the heaviest rain totals. Any thunderstorm that latches right onto that cold front or drags into that humidity, it's going to be a tremendous rainfall maker, especially for lower parts of Louisiana all the way out through. Looks like southern Georgia. By the way, they need the rain big time, right, with that